Hello, and today we have the 1990 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's go. And as you can see in this video, I got a brand new Wacom tablet and a brand new Sony camera to better record all of my drawings. So going forward, all of them are going to be like this. I've been wanting to draw these turtles for a very long time. Let's just say while drawing the turtles, it was just oozing with nostalgia because it brought back so much good memories, brought back essentially my childhood because I grew up with the original cartoon turtles and this version when they came out in theater. It just brought back so much good memories as a child, as I'm sure the turtles bring back memories for so many people. Depending on how old you are, kind of determines which turtles you better relate to or feel a connection to. For me, when I think of the Ninja Turtles, it's the original cartoons and this version here. So drawing all of them, it just brought back such good memories. And on top of that, while I was actually in the process of drawing all of these, the original movie was actually on Netflix, and it was actually fun and to rewatch it with my three boys, who two of them was the first time seeing it, and trying to understand why I love this movie so much as a kid. They actually did like the original, and we actually watched the second one, which everyone that knows pales in comparison to the original. Unfortunately, that's just how it is. And the reason why I chose to draw the 1990 movie version instead of the cartoon version was because I felt like it better suited my style, as I love drawing textures and having dynamic lighting. Don't get me wrong, I will eventually draw the cartoon version, but on my first outing, I just felt the movie version better captured my current way that I love to draw, because I am obsessed with textures and obsessed with dynamic lighting. I had to go with this version. It's dark, it's gritty, and it just brings back so much good memories. Now, as far as who was my favorite Ninja Turtle, as a kid, it was Leonardo, hands down. Those dual ninja swords just sealed it for me. Him being the leader. But as time has passed, and if you ask me now who is my favorite Ninja Turtle, without a doubt, it has now become Raphael. And I'm curious, who is your favorite Ninja Turtle? Is it Leo, Raph, Mikey, or Donatello? Why don't you comment down below on who your favorite Ninja Turtle is? And here I'm adding the final finishing touches to try to give it a little bit of flair. And here is the final completed piece of the 1990 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I hope you guys liked the process of the drawing. I loved every minute of doing this. The total time to draw all this was really long. It spanned 3.5 weeks, but it was totally worth it because I love the end result. And if you like it, why don't you give it a thumbs up? And if you're new here, why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss any new drawing that I put? And until the next video, guys, goodbye.